Hey everyone, welcome to the discussion. Today we're diving into how landlords can use proactive communication and tenant assessments to create better relationship and avoid headaches. Sounds good?
Absolutely. It's all about setting the stage for a positive landlord-tenant dynamic right from the start.
Okay, so imagine I'm a brand new landlord, totally clueless. What's the biggest mistake I could make when it comes to dealing with tenants?
Probably assuming that everyone thinks and communicates the same way you do. Not everyone is comfortable reporting issues right away, and that can lead to bigger problems down the line.
So how can I get ahead of that? I saw something about a tenant blueprint report in the content. What's that all about?
Think of it as a way to understand a tenant's communication style and potential pain points before they become issues. It can highlight things like whether they're likely to report problems promptly or if they might need a little nudge. Okay, that makes sense. So I get this report and it says, my new tenant, Jack, isn't great at reporting small issues. What do I do with that information?
Don't panic. It's not a red flag, it's an opportunity. Use it to set clear expectations. Go over the lease with him, especially the parts about maintenance and reporting procedures.
Got it. So be super clear about when to text, when to call, and what kind of info I need. What about those welcome inspections? Are those as awkward as they sound?
They don't have to be. Frame it as a friendly check-in to make sure everything's working and to build a relationship. It normalizes the idea of proactive communication.
Awesome. This has been super helpful. Thanks for breaking down how to use these tools to create better landlord-tenant relationships.